The latest update to my Rogue C# project was to add some color to the game map. Even with this project's focus on the C# language over graphics, the nostalgia of the monochrome amber map only worked for so long. With some suggestions from ChatGPT, I decided to change from outputting the map to a label control to using the TextRenderer to draw the ASCII text on the form. At first, I was drawing it to a panel control, but even with double buffering activated, you can see by the flickering here how that was working. Finally, I decided to lose the panel and draw straight to the form. I created a new map glyph structure to hold the ASCII character itself, along with the foreground and background colors, and created an array of those that the form could access to draw the information using TextRenderer. After playing around with the colors for the different characters, it looks a lot closer to the Rogue that I remember. If you would like to see more about how I did this, the complete write-up for this update, along with the rest of the Rogue C# series, is available on my site at andrewcomo.com. You can find the link in the comments, along with a link to the code on GitHub, and information on how you can get the series in offline electronic form for your Kindle or other e-reader. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, please remember to like and subscribe to be notified of more updates. Have a great day.